Mastering Intimacy. Discover 5 secret Stoic positions. How to build a strong relationship with your partner? Welcome to Daily Stoic, a channel for sharing knowledge and life experiences. Have you ever wondered what makes a relationship truly lasting and unforgettable? How long can your relationship last if it's solely based on physical attraction without truly understanding each other's desires and needs? Let's explore how to deeply understand each other's desires and needs to make your relationship more connected and happier. Before we delve into the positions that can completely change the game in your intimate life, I want to take a moment to connect with you. If you find this content useful and want to enhance your intimate relationship, please like this video. Your support not only helps me continue to create quality content, but also provides great motivation for me to develop the channel further. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do so now. By subscribing, you won't miss any new content, helping you develop inner strength and build deeper connections in every aspect of your life. I also look forward to receiving your feedback and sharing. Please leave a comment below with any questions or thoughts you have about enhancing intimacy in your relationship. Let's create a community where everyone can learn, share, and grow together. Right now, let's delve deeper into your inner self, where the demon inside you cries out for release. In daily life, we always face challenges, always seeking to push our limits to achieve greater things. So how do we overcome our limits? Or how can you and your partner's enjoyment exceed even your limits? Have you ever wondered which position makes your partner feel the most satisfied during intimate moments? Now let's explore 5 positions that will make you and your partner inseparable. Are you ready to cast aside weakness and awaken your potential? First, we need to understand that everybody has unique characteristics. For example, women with larger hips often have smaller breasts, and vice versa. Women with larger breasts typically have smaller hips. These differences influence how we choose and perform positions in our intimate moments. Interestingly, red-haired women are often more likely to engage in frequent sexual activity, possibly due to their confidence and strong personality. Now let's talk about one of the best positions to stimulate a woman's G-spot, the spooning position. In this position, both partners lie on their sides, with the man behind the woman. This not only allows for close physical contact, but also positions the penis to be near the lower wall of the vagina, where there are many nerve endings. This stimulation can bring deep satisfaction to the woman. Additionally, this position allows easy access to the clitoris, providing dual stimulation that is highly effective. With the spooning position, you not only bring satisfaction to your partner, but also create a strong connection between the two of you. Try it out and feel the difference. You'll find that a small change in approach can bring a lot of joy and satisfaction. The most important thing is to always listen to and understand what your partner desires, so that both of you can explore and enjoy those sublime moments together. Next, let's talk about a quite popular position that I'm sure many of you have tried. It's the doggy style. This position is widely used by people of all ages, from young to middle-aged, and it's particularly popular in the UK. In this position, the woman kneels while the man penetrates from behind. The great thing about doggy style is that it offers many benefits for both partners. Firstly, it allows the woman to have more control during intercourse. She can freely move her body to find the angle and rhythm that provide the most comfort and pleasure. This not only enhances the sensation of satisfaction, but also creates a deeper connection and understanding between the two partners. Moreover, this position enables the man to penetrate more deeply, which can effectively stimulate the woman's G-spot. This deep contact brings a fresh and exciting experience for both partners. And don't forget, the doggy style allows for easy changes in angle and rhythm, enabling both partners to experiment and discover new sensations. If you haven't tried this position yet, consider adding it to your list. You'll find that a small change in approach can bring a lot of joy and satisfaction. In everyday life, if you dare to scold a woman, you're done for. But in bed, they may enjoy a bit of roughness or even being insulted. This can make them excited and add an element of surprise, making sexual activity more interesting and intense. The important thing is mutual understanding and consent, ensuring that all actions are based on respect and trust. Additionally, there is a little-known fact that some women are born with a small vagina, or even without a vagina, a condition that affects about 1 in 5,000 people. We should also mention the benefits of having sex in a standing position. This position not only helps you last longer, but also makes it easier for your partner to reach orgasm. This is because standing allows for better control over angles and rhythm, optimizing stimulation. If you are a man with good technique, combined with perfect emotions, you can make your woman climax in just 4 minutes. However, if not, the process can take up to 20 minutes or more. Some women have never experienced an orgasm. Achieving orgasm depends on various factors such as psychological state, level of relaxation, and compatibility between partners. One way to master your relationship is by understanding your partner's weak points. When you know what works best for your partner, it can significantly enhance her comfort and sexual satisfaction. This not only addresses physical aspects, but also has a significant emotional impact, strengthening the connection between you two. Understanding your partner's weaknesses allows you to create intimate and emotional moments that strengthen the emotional bond. Furthermore, this understanding enhances trust and openness in the relationship. When both can share and understand each other sincerely, the connection between you and your partner will become stronger than ever. Another important factor that enhances the quality of both emotional and sexual relationships is open and honest communication. This helps you and your partner understand each other's desires and limits, creating a safe space to experiment and explore new things. When both partners can openly share their likes and dislikes, trust is reinforced, deepening the emotional connection. Understanding your partner's needs and weak points helps you create more satisfying and meaningful sexual experiences. This care and attention not only increase desire, but also make each moment together special and memorable. According to many studies, men have the highest levels of testosterone early in the morning, leading to stronger sexual arousal. This is why many men often wake up with an erection. When alone, women's favorite phallic object is usually their fingers, followed by vibrators and candles. One of the most favored activities is oral sex. This is true for both women and men. It provides strong stimulation and also fosters a sense of closeness and deep emotional connection. Oral sex allows both partners to explore each other's bodies subtly and emotionally, thereby enhancing satisfaction and emotional connection. One of the positions that always appears in sexual intercourse is the missionary position. A classic yet always favored position, it is also the best for clitoral stimulation, helping women achieve orgasm. In this position, both partners can look into each other's eyes, creating a deep emotional connection. Additionally, this position allows for full body contact, stimulating many sensitive points and providing maximum satisfaction. However, some women may experience difficulties if they have a short clitoris. This can make clitoral stimulation during intercourse more challenging, leading to feelings of dissatisfaction. To overcome this, open communication and creativity in finding different positions and techniques are needed to ensure satisfaction for both. Using hands or assistive devices can also be an effective solution. Many people believe that sexual life will decline after the age of 50, but this is not the case. With openness, many couples can still maintain a fulfilling and satisfying sexual life. The important thing is to maintain confidence and be willing to explore new ways to maintain intimacy. Communication and mutual understanding remain the key to sustaining happiness and satisfaction in a relationship. A position that most assertive women who enjoy taking control of desire in sexual intercourse is the cougar position. This position not only provides satisfaction, but also allows women to completely control the play. In the cougar position, the woman is on top, which allows her to control the speed, angle, and depth of penetration. This is a significant advantage because it helps women adjust according to their feelings and needs, thereby achieving maximum satisfaction. Women's experiences with the cougar position are often very positive. They feel empowered and free to explore what brings them the highest satisfaction. The ability to self-adjust helps them more easily reach orgasm and feel a strong connection with their partner. While the woman freely enjoys bringing pleasure, the man can comfortably enjoy and caress her breasts. Statistics show that more than 80% of women do not marry the man they love the most, but rather the man who is most ready to marry. This can lead to a lack of emotional and psychological harmony, causing the marriage to become tense and lacking in satisfaction. Have you ever tried anal sex? If not, you and your partner should consider exploring it. This type of intercourse can bring novelty and excitement, but it is essential to ensure cleanliness and mutual consent to avoid health issues and discomfort. You can clean the area with a specialized solution for sensitive regions. Typically, sexual desire for both women and men fluctuates over time. Men usually have the highest testosterone levels in the morning, while women may experience significant changes in sexual desire throughout their menstrual cycle. Understanding these variations helps couples synchronize and better understand each other in their intimate moments. Having sex 2-3 times a week can boost the immune system, reduce stress, and improve sleep quality. In particular, a fulfilling sex life enhances emotional connection and happiness in the relationship. Besides choosing the best positions to achieve orgasms for both partners, adjusting positions can yield surprising results. For example, in the classic method where the woman keeps her legs together while the man keeps his legs apart, this adjustment helps create greater pressure during penetration. This technique can effectively stimulate the clitoris and G-spot of the woman. According to many studies, about 75% of women need clitoral stimulation to achieve orgasm. Position adjustment helps optimize this stimulation by creating the necessary pressure and friction. For men, this technique also brings intense pleasure due to deeper penetration and closer body contact. To enhance the sensation, the man can press the woman's hips into his body. When the woman's hips are pressed, the pressure on the G-spot and clitoris increases, enhancing pleasure and the likelihood of orgasm. Women often have various ways to attract a man they like. Typically, they use their eyes, smiles, and body language. Some women might lick their lips to show their allure. Often, these women tend to enjoy oral sex. However, there is a notion that women who prefer oral sex tend to be unfaithful because they seek novelty and experimentation in their sexual experiences. However, this is not entirely true and can lead to unnecessary misunderstandings. The important thing is mutual understanding and trust in the relationship. Oral sex, like any other form of intercourse, should be based on mutual consent and respect. After the age of 40, women find it easier to achieve orgasm compared to those under 40. With experience, they understand their bodies and needs better. One essential element in a romantic life is the kiss. In sexual relationships, a kiss is not only a wonderful foreplay, but also an expression of love and connection between two people. A kiss stimulates the senses and increases oxytocin levels, the hormone that creates feelings of happiness and bonding. Next, the screw position is unique and favored by many couples because it brings intense satisfaction for both partners. The screw position requires the woman to lie on her back on the bed with her legs fully extended upward and crossed. The man will stand or kneel in front of the woman, holding her ankles or resting them on his shoulders to help keep her legs straight throughout the process. In this position, the man will penetrate from the front, creating a deep and powerful angle of penetration. What makes this position special is the control it gives the man and the satisfaction it brings to the woman. The man can adjust the angle and depth of penetration flexibly, providing maximum stimulation to the woman's G-spot. Additionally, the screw position allows the woman to feel strong clitoral stimulation when her legs are crossed and stretched. This muscle tension enhances the sensation, bringing more intense pleasure. When a man truly loves and cares for his woman, it is often clearly demonstrated by his actions in the bedroom. One of the strongest signs of love and care is when he uses his tongue to stimulate her vagina and caresses her nipples. These actions not only provide intense pleasure for the woman, but also show that he pays close attention to and respects her needs and desires. He is willing to do anything to ensure she is satisfied and feels loved. When a woman is aroused by a man, she tends to initiate physical contact with him. Many women prefer foreplay before penetration. For instance, oral sex is a highly appealing step that makes the sexual experience more passionate. Your foreplay will be even better if you use your mouth in combination with your hands. Using your hands helps the man directly stimulate the woman's G-spot, increasing her excitement. Combining this with gentle tongue movements over her body can bring her to the point of squirting. Statistics from couples show that only 40% of men can make their woman squirt. So if you can achieve this, you might be very successful in bed with her. On the journey of life, only those with an unshakable spirit can conquer all challenges. We, the steadfast warriors, refuse to succumb to adversity and see every challenge as an opportunity to grow and strengthen ourselves. Remember, each moment of facing difficulty is an occasion to demonstrate our resilience and determination. No difficulty is insurmountable when we unite and trust in our strength. Let us strive together towards new heights where greatness awaits us. And so we have explored the 5 secret positions of Stoicism together, positions that not only bring pleasure, but also strengthen the spirit and deepen the connection with your partner. Remember, each position carries its philosophy, not only satisfying you physically, but also helping you understand yourself and your partner better. Stoicism teaches us about patience, respect, and understanding. When you apply for these positions, you not only enjoy moments of ecstasy, but also truly live in each moment, appreciating and loving your partner more. The most important thing is open and honest communication, because only then can you truly understand and meet each other's deepest desires. So embrace intimate moments with the same strength and resilience you apply to life's challenges. Show your partner that their comfort and happiness are as important to you as your own. When you achieve this, you will see your relationship grow deeper and richer. If you find this content useful, please like this video. Your support not only helps me continue to create quality-free content, but also provides great motivation for me to develop the channel further. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do so now. By subscribing, you won't miss any new content, helping you develop inner strength and build deeper connections in every aspect of your life.